Hello class, I am your teacher Eduardo, and today class I will be presenting the 3 digital language learning tool for a specific learner. So I will be focused on the visual learner because visual learners absorbs information through images, charts, and written text. So that's why selecting a specific digital tools is crucial for their success in language acquisition. And now, class, I have chosen the 3 digital tools for evaluation. So the first one is the Duolingo, the second one is the Anki, and the third one is the BBC language. After comparing them based on various criteria, I will recommend the best, most effective one for visual learners. And now, class, let's begin. So the 3 tools I will be discussing today are Duolingo. So what is Duolingo? So Duolingo is a gamified language learning apps with visual elements like icons, progress bars, and badges. The second one is Anki. So what is Anki class? So Anki is a flashcard-based tool that uses spaced repetition to help learners retain vocabulary effectively. And the third one class is the BBC Languages. BBC Languages is an online course offering structured lessons, interactive exercises, and a video content. And now class, let's compare these tools on the several key factors. So first one is the Duolingo. So Duolingo's strength is a gamified approach, keep learners engaged, easy to use, and visually appealing. And the weaknesses is lack in depth grammar instruction and rigid lesson structure. So Duolingo is best for learners who need motivation and enjoy a structured yet interactive experience. The second one is Anki. So the strength of Anki is highly effective for vocabulary retention and customizable. So the weaknesses is not beginner friendly and lacks of interactive exercises. So Anki is best for learners who focus on vocabulary retention rather than a structured lesson. The last one is the BBC Languages. So the strength of BBC Languages is comprehensive language instruction and high quality content. So the weaknesses is limited engagement and lacks of gamification. So BBC Languages is best for learners who prepare in-depth lessons with grammar instructions and explanations. Class, after evaluating all 3 tools, I recommend Duolingo as the best choice for visual learners. Here's why. Because Duolingo visual elements including icons, animation, and progress indicators support comprehension. The gamified approach increases motivation and engagement, which is crucial for maintaining consistent learning habits, class. So, Duolingo is easily accessible on both web and mobile, making it more convenient tool for visual learners. While Anki is excellent for vocabulary retention, it lacks an interactive feature, and BBC Languages provides high-quality content, but is not visually engaging. So, Duolingo strike the best balance between engagement, accessibility, and effectiveness. Now, let me give you a quick demonstration of Duolingo interface.
T.
So, this is the Duolingo
T.
features. So, as you can see, you can learn the
Welcome.
language you want to learn.
Welcome.
As you can see, class,
Welcome.
you can learn on Duolingo's
Welcome.
interface. And also, the feature of Duolingo is very
T,
useful for
please.
visual learners class. Look at it. So, that is very important for language learning.
Please.
To summarize it all, for visual learners, Duolingo is the best digital language learning tool because of the feature of Duolingo, because you can learn languages in Duolingo, especially the English language, because it's engaging and visually supportive interface. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again. So that's all. I hope you learned something on this video.